Hi there, welcome to Slick Edits 2020. In this video I will be introducing you to the interface of Adobe Lightroom mobile app.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own
Open the app and sign in with your Adobe credentials.
Step by step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight.
You can find personalized recommendations in the home page of the app.
We are heroes tonight.
Go to the Library tab and click on All Photos. Add photos into the app from your gallery if you haven't already. Select any one photo for editing. This is the interface we will be using to edit. You can see various tools for editing on the right side of your screen. Let's dive into them one by one.
Ready to explore right.
This is the Profiles button. Here you can find pre-existing profiles that you can apply directly to your photo.
And don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town.
This is the Auto Edit button. The app will automatically edit your photos. I don't recommend using it as it often produces undesired results. This is the Crop button, pretty self-explanatory. Here you can align, straighten or crop your pictures.
Fly above the sky. We are heroes.
Now, let's move to the Light button. Here you can change various options like exposure, contrast and highlights as shown in the screen.
Heroes tonight.
Click on the Curve button to find tonal curve settings for different colors in your picture. Play with different curve settings to understand. Click then to move to the next setting. This one is called the Color tab. You are provided with a one-click button for black and white settings. You can also find a Color Mix tab where you can edit each color behavior in your picture. This is the Effect tab where you can change the texture, clarity and other settings as shown in the screen. In the Details tab, you can manipulate image sharpening and noise reduction settings. This is the Preset tab. Here Adobe has already included some of their presets if you find it to your liking.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
That's all the basic settings we will need in the Lightroom app. If you like this video, hit the like button and comment down if you have any queries. For more content like this and interesting presets, subscribe to the channel. This is Sam signing off. See you on my next video.